Cows. Welcome back to another episode. So today's video is actually fairly highly requested over the past year or so, since it's been kind of trending, this carnivore thing. Mikhaila Peterson, I think her name is, who created this ridiculous lion diet. I'm always speechless, right? But you know your girl, she's never speechless completely. I've always got an opinion. But yeah, the lion diet, and I think it's just like eating steak basically all day, eating a cow's ass all day. And you know, I've got something to say about that. So let's check it out on TikTok, what I eat in a day on the lion diet. It's hard to take this seriously, isn't it? It's like a cruel joke. Anyway, let's check it out. And if you want to get a rebounder, I'm not actually selling these rebounders, but I do have an affiliate link. So if you purchase through my affiliate link, you'll get a discount and I will benefit from your purchase, and you will get something that is actually beneficial to your life. I would never promote something that I don't think actually benefits you. You know, when you want to work out and it's snowing, raining outside, you can always use the rebounder, which is amazing. It does have a weight limit, so just be aware of that. But it is great, and I've been doing it for over 20 years. So there's a link in the description below if you want to check it out. All right, let's get into the lion diet. Oh gosh. So some of you have told me about this lying diet. That makes sense, right? No, lion diet. And I wanted to check this out because I saw it on TikTok, and this Mikhaila girl, Peterson or something, she promotes it. We're going to do more of these videos, but this is the first video I found, so we're going to check it out, what they eat in a day. Okay, lion diet, day 15.
Day 15 of the lion diet, eating nothing but beef, salt, and water.
Huh? Nothing but beef, salt, and water. Yeah, why don't you just leave the salt out and eat it like an actual carnivore would? Well, how about that?
Salt, and water. Today I want to answer 3 questions. Am I taking any supplements? How's my energy? And how is my mood? No, I'm not taking any
Oh, looks gross already, sis.
supplements, but I'm not experiencing any symptoms of deficiencies. I will add in liver fat.
I mean, like, you look like a lion, right? So it makes sense to do a lion diet, wouldn't it?
I feel like I need to. My energy is good. I'm not bouncing off the walls or anything. I'm not experiencing any spikes or crashes. It's just stable throughout the day. Even when I work out, I'm able to push myself. I don't feel like I'm lacking anything, not having carbs or sugar.
Okay, so she's lying here, all right? This is just purely lying. I don't feel like, my energy's fine, everything. No, it's not. It's just, oh gosh, I really wish you could be a fly on the wall with these people. They are just scamming so hard.
Which surprised me. So now I'm curious what was causing me to be a little more irritable. Coffee or dairy, perhaps? Let me know your theories and follow.
The reason that you're irritable is because you're not getting enough sugar, glucose. The brain, every cell in your system is running on it. And if you just deprive your body and you become deficient in glucose and fructose, you're going to feel terrible and you're going to develop disease. So
Along for day 16.
Was that it?
Day 15 of...
What a very sad diet. Let's look it up more. Let's see if we can find more of these. Okay, let's go to day 16 from Jess? Okay.
Day 16 of the lion diet, eating nothing but beef, salt, and water.
For my first meal today, I had 4 delicious burger patties.
Oh, yeah.
And then for dinner, I had a ribeye that I chopped into
That's definitely dog food right there.
pieces and cooked in the air fryer.
I do want to be clear
Hang on, is that it?
I'm not doing the lion diet to lose weight, but I am still curious to see.
Day 12 of a strict carnivore diet, eating nothing but butter and meat for 100 days, baby. For breakfast, it was a 9-ounce ribeye steak with a few tablespoons of butter, and then
Oh gosh, I just have to turn up the music just in case. This is this is my second and last meal. These people are it's just ridiculous. Like, it's really hard to know what to say about this. You know, it's gone too far. It's gone far too far, like way too far. This is all marketing. This is all about, like, they've just fallen for this carnivore marketing. Some people have just jumped on a trend, trying to make money, and these are the poor suckers that are being exploited, who are taking the bait. Woman, she's a scary one.
Want something besides good old steak.
I recommend you stop stuffing around with these diets that are just not working for you and start on a fruit-based diet ASAP. Start changing your life today. There's no more time to waste. Start feeling great, lose that excess weight, and these are the books. You can get all my books in a bundle for a great discounted price, all my life's work, and completely change your life. Completely change your life. It's amazing. And I also offer one-on-one consults for a limited amount of time. So if you want to check that out, also for those who are female over 200 pounds. So it's a link down below, and we'll see if we're a good fit. And check out these books. There's a link for them in the description below as well. Okay, I'm going to continue.
I slice up some chuck roast into thinly sliced strips and I put it in some boiling water. I cook it for no more than 20 seconds, scoop it out.
It just looks terrible. Just looks terrible.
This is what I ate on my first day of the Lion Diet.
Just don't you think to yourself like, oh, this is kind of stupid, like that, the Lion Diet? You know, she seems to be totally comfortable. She's probably employed by this Mikhaila Peterson. You know what I'm saying?
For breakfast, I basically had this fatty meat pie, which is crispy ground beef, a little bit of fat, and then the rendered
Oh gosh,
fat.
that face did not look too happy.
I also had some hot water with Redmond's real salt.
So instead of the rice crackers, she's got literal just body fat of the animal, muscle tissue of the animal together like that. That's gross, man. That's gross.
I had some hot water with Redmond's real salt to trick myself into thinking I was having coffee.
Oh, great. So she has to trick herself into thinking she's having drugs. And now she's got, this looks like dog food, right? Like, let's just be honest. Have a look at a dog's teeth. Have a look at your own. It's a no-brainer. We're not meant to be eating the same as them.
Lunch was chopped up ribeye with some added fat. Then I got home from work and had some beef bone broth and a handful of homemade beef jerky.
Oh, no. Oh, whoa. The uric acid and the cholesterol and the just... Oh gosh, that looks really bad. Again, that looks like the mummified body from the, ancient Egypt. It's like thousands of years old and they unearth them and their skin looks like that.
Made beef jerky. And dinner was some meat bars from the air fryer.
Meat bars.
This is
This is really hard for me to comment on because it is so far out.
Day 9 of 30 days of the carnivore diet. What do I eat on the carnivore diet? There's 3 levels I'll show you in this video. In 2016, I was sick of feeling like all the time and I just wanted to be healthy. That's when I found the carnivore diet and started eating ground beef and other meats that were on sale.
Yeah, you're probably a shill as well. Probably paid by them. Just think about it, okay? If you're the meat industry, you got billions of dollars for marketing. Just so much money. So why not hire some people, to make videos like this and say, hey, I tried the carnivore diet. It promotes, make this Lion Diet, make this carnivore diet, create it. And, just get these faces to promote it. I mean, it's a good business model. They're getting scared because meat is getting pushed to the side.
I started feeling better, but I realized there were a lot of different versions of carnivore. So I tried the most extreme version, level 3. This is where you eat beef, salt, water, and nothing else. After 6 months, I felt superhuman.
Oh, give me a break. Now, okay, this guy is flat out lying. He must be a shill. So he's trying to say, for 6 months, I only ate this. This is it. Just water.
Nothing else.
Just water, salt, and meat. That's it. The whole 6 months I found amazing. It really gives me the shits. It really gives me the shits how unethical and just... I don't know, it is really, whoa.
After 6 months,
Because look, I have, relatives that have tried this, at least one, and honestly, I was concerned. I was very concerned, of course, for them.
felt superhuman. And now that I'm healthy,
Because, there's people who will actually do it because they believe what they see, and they're like, oh, these people are getting great results. But these people are liars. You have to realize they're compulsive liars.
for the first time in my life, I started trying other foods because I could always go back to this. So that's when I started. Level 2. I added foods one at a time. Things like bacon,
Oh, that's not food. Bro, didn't you know? Pig flesh is not human food.
eggs, fish, bone marrow,
Oh, no.
organ meats, herbs, spices. Some people will add coffee and
Someone said in the comments here, I'm on level 4. I only eat salt and water.
tea. This can get confusing, but what does it all have in common? The most nutrient-dense, bioavailable food on the planet.
They're all drug addicts. They honestly, they need caffeine so badly, but they're not even doing it. Hey, for a day or two they might do it, then they binge out, and then they just pretend. It's a marketing model.
Meat. So I'll show you level 1 foods in the next video. See you on day 10.
Why don't you just stay with the level 4 or whatever? Why not? You're meant to be a carnivore. No, you can't, because you need to add in carbohydrates.
That's how I cook dinner. I'm going to Nashville tomorrow.
Okay, I'm going to leave it at that, because honestly, this is bizarre. This is really bizarre, and there's not much more to say. It's just purely marketing. These people fell for a marketing trick, the people who are copying these individuals, and these people are almost definitely hired by the meat industry in some capacity. Okay, I'm telling you, like, you know, they're going to get sneakier and sneakier, because, you know, veganism is taking over, plant-based taking over, so they got to get the meat in there still. Anyway, don't do it. I don't think you need me to say that, to tell you, but just go fruit yourself, please. And I'll see you next video.